you know how to say thank you?
It's谢谢.
That's why. Very useful.
Yes.
From now, no more thank you, only 谢谢.
谢谢. 谢谢. It's okay. There's a 谢谢. Hi po. It's another day. I hope na hindi masyadong puno yung restaurant na pupuntahan namin. Alika, let's try the Chinese dim sum. Let's go. Sabi niya, run. Oh no, okay. Bawal magutom pagkasama po ako.
Ayan na po sa likod ng Rauha Night Market. First time ko po dito. Tara po! Mukhang temple ito. Katabi po niya yung night market. Ayan na po.
Wala kayo. It's hot for you. It's meaty. The crust is flaky, crisp, malambot. Ang karne, peppery. Pepper as in paminta. Not very clean at masarap. It deserves the Michelin rating. Let's go! Kumusta? First you eat na.
Later na po. Okay na po.
All rated. Sarap. Yung may anak. Diba? Ayan po yung karne. Yung usap pa.
Hello!
Yayo. Sarap. Linis, no? Tara, let's move. Ayan, no? Boneless ribs, crispy, wow. Oh my gosh, my favorite sweet potato balls. First time ko po yung matikman sa hapon. Oh my gosh, na-inlove ako. Napakasarap! Para siyang crispy siya, tapos hollow yung loob. Tapos manamis-namis na konti lang. Yung iba nga, naglalagay doon ng cheese sa loob. Wala pa kami makintay. Oh, the line! The line is all the way there! I didn't see it! It's okay. Thank you, sorry. Thank you. Ang haba ng pila.
Okay. What? What? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Please, gusto mo? Sugar cane?
Okay.
No, thank you. Ang sarap! Tubo, di ba? Tubo, di ba? Bo. Sugar cane. Itubo. Not tubo. Ingit asawa ko, secret ko, the saucer. Look at that. Siksik na siksik. Tama lang yung taba. Siya yung sobrang tama lang siya. Parang chorizo Macau. Yung chorizo Macau sa Cebu. Ganon. Pero sobrang malambot. At saka kanin na lang sod na ito. hinahanap ko yung oyster omelette, yung palaba na omelette. Let us search. Ayun na. I can smell it. Smell it. And one. Yes. Yes. Oh, how much more? This is real stinky tofu. I think po, yung una kong kinain, nasabi ko, wala namang amoy. Kasi pala hindi yata siya stinky tofu. May slight budol. Pero masarap. Nakadalawang bilhin ako kahit walang stinky. Okay, ito kaya, what is siguro it's from, okay. I hope it's not maanghang. Hindi pa rin, alam nyo, parang sa Kapampangan cuisine, yung pritong hito at saka buro, parang yung atin, yung buro, pag masyado mong inamoy, parang hindi ka matutuwa. Ito, it's fermented din kasi. So, yun ang pag-inisip mo yun, hindi ka naman mababahuan. Malalasahan mong fermented siya. Fishy, no? Hindi ko siya mauubos. Bago siya sa panlasa ko. Gusto ko yung sauce kasi matamis. No? Pero okay na.
Tingnan natin yung oyster.
Yung oyster omelette, try natin. Ayan.
Minibet.
Okay? Hindi ko naintindihan pero sila na. Iba yung batter niya sa Thailand. Yes, ito po siya. Parang siyang torta. Omelette.
Sarap. Ayan.
It's not sweet. Kailan medyo sweet, no? It's not sweet, but it's savory. It's yummy. Yeah. Yeah, you cheers. Of course. Okay na ako kayo. Okay? I think, mga laman loob pero nabusog ako sa oyster omelette. Ay, the Japanese pancakes. What do they call it? Baka siya dorayaki pero may flavoring sa loob. Iba-iba. Hindi lang rin. Oh, sushi, sashimi. Ito, kwapaw. Ayan o, kwapaw.
Ito po yung mga friends po namin.
Thank you po. Okay lang sa vlog ko. Ito mga dessert ko. Ayan, nakikita niyo pa sa likod ko. Yan, may mga shake ice, tofu pudding, mango. Yan, may red tea. Hindi ko alam description. Ayan po siyang dami. Can you do that? There. Parang halo-halo. Iniwasan ko, pero favorite ko talaga eh. Tanghulo. Strawberry. Strawberry, tanghulo. Bidib ako. Walang asim yung strawberry. Fishy. You have to try. The strawberry has no acid. So even without the sugar coating na malutong, the strawberry would be so delicious. Not as sweet, but delicious. It's still sweet. Amazing.
Ang sarap ng subo nyo, nakakagulo.
Squeezy or try?
Sige po. Thank you.
Take one strawberry. So red, I'm taking you. Diba? It's not ahim, konti lang, pero tama lang, no?
Tama si Sarah po nito.
What do you guys want to try pa? Chicken also, anak.
Sige po.
Parang mas maraming tao dito, baka mas masarap. Freshly cooked. We'll make baon for the hotel. Hello! Good evening po! Nag-a-attend. Gusto mag-street food. Bibili ko kayo? Kasi nakapila na ako. Baka gusto nyo pipila ko na kayo. Ito, I'm sorry. Of course!
Ano pa? I'll take your photo.
Kasali kayo sa YouTube.
There. New Zealand po.
Oh, wow! Wow, that's a long time. Thank you so
I'll
much.
see you on Saturday.
Thank you so much. I got 4, anak. Para busog kayo tonight. I'm waiting for the fried chicken. Babuunin na namin pabalik sa hotel kasi baka magutom ang ating mga kasama. Bawal magutom pagkasama po. Mortal sin sa pamilya namin na nagmegutom. Para lahat kailangan pakainin. Shishi! Thank you! Bye! Thank you! Yee! Here's my manok. Okay! Palabas na kami! Kasi ang dami namin nakain. Alam mo yung try-try, nakabusog. Eh, hindi naman kami nagtatry eh. Kain talaga kami. Parang, uy, try tayong sausage. Diyos ko, nakabuong sausage. Hindi naman lahat. Pero karamihan, ibig sabihin hindi lahat makikita mo sa Ximending. Pero marami. Pero mas marami talagang choices dito. Tulad po dito. Look at that. Mga puso. Ito, water. Naku, favorite namin ni Miguel. Watermelon juice. Subalit ako eh. Kanina uha ako. Ngayon busog. O German pork na toast. Parang crispy pata pero European version. Tapos boneless chicken po. Pero sa atin chicken feet. Yan po ang oyster mushrooms. Ayan. Ayan. Maglaki niya. This is my hand. This is my hand. These are the mushrooms. They're very big. Favorite ko, crispy fried tilapia. Ayan, ang lalaki ayun, merong ginger, onions, and garlic. Lalabas pa ba tayo? Lalabas ba tayo ng buhay? Thank you everybody for joining us po dito sa Rauhan Night Market Tour namin. Alam nyo, enjoy po ako. Tsaka, parang hindi naman ganun karaming tao today. Siguro kasi Monday. Pero alam ko po dahil tourist attraction siya. A lot of tourists come kahit pa weekday yan. But we're blessed kasi hindi masyado. Enjoy po kami. Hindi naman yung walang tao na malungkot. Tama lang po siya. Masaya. Dami namin natikman. So if you come here, it's spelled R-A-O-H-E. Pero dinig ko po pronunciation niya ay Rauha. Hindi Rauhe. Sabi nila. I will see you again. See you tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Good morning everybody! Still in Taipei. Ngayon po ay magtutour kami. Sasama po namin kayo. Cute po yung pupuntahan namin. See you later! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Bingxi sa Shufen. The lanterns, magla-let go kami.
The sausage, very popular. Next.
Yes, it's very delicious.
Sausage with garlic. You see
Oh
the
my
raw garlic?
goodness, yeah. I didn't see this street before. I only went straight to the lantern.
So this is one of the old street in Taiwan.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Just one. All right.
Ayan, gaya po ng sinabi ko, dinasal ko na po lahat yan. Huwag natin ilalagay ang ating full trust sa nabibiling lantern na isusulat natin ang ating wishes. Idadasal mo na, cute lang yan. Makita lang natin nakasulat. Sa tradition yata here.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ikot.
Ikot daw.
Ikot na lantern. Only lantern.
Only lantern.
Only lantern. Ikot natin.
Okay.
Okay, papat na konti. 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Yay! Pera! Pera! 1, 2, 3. Pera! Ate, pera lang po. Pera!
O, she lighted na. Look, look. Yan.
No, no.
See? O, pinch ka mo yun.
Okay, ate, tawa dito. Isang kamay, isang kamay. Okay, wala na. 1, 2, 3, kita ha.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, pinch out tayo.
Okay, sige na dito.
Look there.
Ate, say hello. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, bitaw. Walang pa. Ate, sapa picture.
Sa pa daw picture, ate. Bitaw, puso, pera. Kung ano-ano sinasabi.
Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Opa na.
Opa, galang
Opa.
ka.
1, 2, 3.
Jeffrey, join.
Okay.
Yes, Jeffrey. With Jeffrey,
Okay,
kasama
wamo,
siya.
wamo. Opa. Okay.
Thank you so much. Salamat, ate.
Salamat. Salamat.
Shishi.
Thank you, Salam. Welcome to Taiwan.
Tapos na po kaming mag-release ng lanterns. Nakakatuwa naman. Ngayon naman po, pupunta kami sa Jufen. Sa kanila yata Jufan. Parang gano'n ang pronunciation. Bye! Hello! Enjoy! We are now going to Jufan. Let's go!
It's China Sea.
China Sea.
East
China Sea.
So we are very close to mainland China. From here to mainland China about 130 kilometers.
Oh my gosh, this is the best
We go up to
vantage
there to
point.
have a This is Yin Yang Sea, the different color of the ocean. Normally the ocean color of the ocean is blue, but here is
Blue and yellow.
because it's heavy polluted by this mountain. So the mountain
Because
over
of the
there,
coal mining before?
coal mining and rich of the mineral.
Mhm. So,
this is called
it means
Yin Yang
also
Sea.
yin yang.
Yin Yang Sea.
Because
Yin is
solar
the
and lunar.
Solar and the lunar. So two different color ocean.
Sun and moon.
Sun and moon.
Ayan po, oh. Wala nito sa ibang lugar.
Half blue and half yellow.
See like a teapot,
Teapot,
earless teapot mountain over there.
Teapot Mountain.
And this is a factory built by Japanese government about 125 years ago, but now it's a ruin. We don't have any mining in Taiwan. No more mining. We buy everything from international.
Hello! Ganda ka! Po, nandito ako sa may waterfalls. What's the name, Jeff?
Gold waterfall, gold.
Hello! Ay, hello! Hali kayo! Saan tayo?
Thank you po.
You are very lucky.
Ganda naman ang picture. Wow. Pag waterfall pa ako dito. Oh. Kita niyo po ba? That was so fun! Diba? No?
Ito naman paakyat kasi tayo up the mountain. So our tour guide Jeffrey brought us to this beautiful viewpoint. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo naman. Oh my. The mountains and the sea. Yan pa rin yung yung may part na may yellow na dagat, tapos na tubig, tapos blue. Beautiful naman. Thank you, Jeffrey. This is beautiful.
This is the cable car station. They have a cable,
An old cable car
car
station.
And the mining car from here and to that factory. From that
So they used to have a cable car going down
there.
to the
To the
factory. Anak, let's feature ourselves.
Ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Ay, gusto ko yan.
Sino?
Golden lot. Basta gatas at asukal. Wala, kulang asukal. May baon ako.
Yes.
Where can I get shoes like that for a little girl?
Oh yeah, here.
Okay.
This way. Slowly, slowly.
Para sa anak ni Cara. Ayan, Spirited Away. Yes? Oh, it's okay. It's so far. Just there? Okay. Bibili kong shoes yung anak ni Cara. Kukunan ko to para makita niya. Cara, I'm getting these shoes for Emma.
Oh, baby, why not? Yeah. Also for us.
I like the traditional. This one embroidered. Do they have baby size?
How old?
One is 1 year old.
1 year. 1 year. 1 year. 几岁的？
This blue And this pink. Ah, red or pink? Traditional Chinese. Pink.
Parang ako.
One blue, one pink. One blue, one pink.
정산 Tang dress.
Tang dress.
Tang dynasty. Tang dynasty. Yeah, this is very old style. 谢谢。
Thank you very much. I will take it.
去个太贵了。
Sweet taro.
Ito.
Yeah, big.
And they're more there on the side.
Yeah.
That's tea house, but also there. I mean,
Upstairs.
B&B.
Upstairs.
Here also in the
Yeah, upstairs Airbnb. And it's not expensive too. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Kaya mo mula habang lalakad. Here.
Turn around.
There it is. Look.
No, the weather is good.
Now we miss too many things.
You miss him again.
Yes. At least nakaikot tayo. Thank you, Lord. Productive. Thank you so
Don't
much.
forget your personal belongings. Okay?
We're fine.
So I will check it again. 谢谢。
Oh my gosh, such a full day, a lovely day. So much fun. We had dami natin ginawa. It was full and happy. So, malapit na kami umuwi, pero isang araw pa kami. But we had such a great day today. Thank you, Lord. Did you have fun? Okay. See you tomorrow.